Yeah.
Fine. I think you have fair enough idea, why we are here, right? Um, okay. So since you guys are into data analytics and other parts, I'll show you. Just follow me, and then I'll explain one by one. First of all, how to read something like. Uh, so first, in our introduction, um, we are going to talk about Python. Okay. So every programming language has its own advantages and disadvantages. I mean, how to approach that programming language. That's what I mean. Okay. So, I mean, since you know about the SAS programming, and you have, I mean, every individual has their own idea to, I mean, how to approach any programming language, right? In my experience for the past 23 years, how to approach Python, because I approach this the vice versa. So maybe even I started learning SAS programming from the beginning. I mean, if you just open up little SAS book, I just come, I just read the introduction, I just read what all the basic structure, and then we practice a very simple code. But I tried this Python in a different manner. Okay, since I know SAS programming, whatever I just got the idea how to learn Python the same way. I'm just going to introduce. It worked out well for not only for me. There are thousands and thousands of people. I just approach the same way for the past 7 years. Okay, for the past 7 years, this methodology is just working out fine. Okay, so how to approach learning Python? So since you know about how to, I think you are well aware of how to play around data. Okay, from this context, I just start this. Okay, so in front of you, there is a data set called Apple products. So this is all about a product name, product URL, okay, and then the brand, sale price, and then the MRP price, and then discounted price. I mean the percentage, discount percentage, the number of ratings, number of reviews, and then something like maybe the model name or something, UPC, and then there's the star rating, the rating by the users, and then this is about RAM. Okay, how much RAM is okay. I'm just okay. Now I'll send the sheet to you first of all. Send. What I will do, I will send you the package, the zip file. As of now, I'll send the sheet. I'll just open up the sheet. And meanwhile, I will send you the zip file, the entire the Python structure. I sent you to email. Just check your email. So I will refer, very often about this, zip file. Just open up and save it in your downloads or wherever you want to. Maybe what I will do through. Okay, so let's see, and then there is some Gmail. Just okay. Okay, open up this data set first, and then I'll show you. Okay, from this sheet, what you, I mean, as you are, you have some experience on analysis of data. What you are inferring first of all? What are you getting out of this data set? Just take your time, take a few minutes. What are all the possible ways of extending this information? And just give me what are the possibilities of the information we can extract out of this data set. We have only 62, yeah, 62 records. So in terms of stats, 62 observations. What are all the things? Just take your time. What are the things? What are all the informations you can extract out of this data set?
Model number, we can extract the capacity, like storage capacity, color.
Okay.
Then you have sale price and MRP price,
Okay.
comparison, uh, discount percentage,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
um, the ratings,
Okay.
RAM information,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
model
Mm-hmm.
information.
Okay.
Again, this is IMEI or manufacturing number that
Okay.
can be taken.
Mm-hmm.
Reviews also, like how many reviews, everything.
Okay.
Everything is mentioned.
Fine. Anything else?
And
Possibilities
different
of.
product categories, we can do that.
Mm-hmm.
It's categorized by the different models, right? So based on the model, how many views, what's the ratings, and what is the price model of
Mm-hmm.
the each model. So that
Mm-hmm.
is a categorization of each model under the different levels. Start from
Mm-hmm.
the pricing, MRP, and reviewing it before it out.
Okay.
We can uh, compare the
Exactly.
pricing in,
Yeah.
or
You can
differentiate
come
the price
right.
between
Yeah.
uh,
Right. Differentiate. You can find out minimum price, maximum price. You can find out what is the maximum cost, selling cost, all the maximum sale price, right? With respect to
price
MRP, you
difference
can come
between the colors also.
in colors, right? So whatever you said and done, it can be, see, you are saying through the casual language, right? In a similar way, Python works. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce. Google. Just type in your Google search engine, Google Colab. Google Colab. So it will show you like colab.research.google.com. Just go to this.
Yes, it is showing like immediately open book one column came,
Right.
and welcome to Colab.
Yes, this is the page, right? So yeah, this is
Yes,
the
yeah.
page. Welcome to Collaborate. So sign in with your Gmail authentication, Gmail ID. Sign in. Right side, maybe if you are already signed in into your Gmail, if you, I mean, if you are the first time,
Yeah.
it will ask you to sign. Otherwise, you know, if it is okay, then it will show, it will be showing like this. You already signed in like this, like this.
Okay, it's showing different actually.
Oh, is it? Just check the link, collab.research.google.com.
The open notebook something came.
Uh-huh.
It's all in white color. Like, okay, the skin might be different.
No. Okay, I'll share this in our Zoom link
Machine
chat.
learning, yes, yes. It's the same thing, yeah. The
Same
same
thing?
thing, yeah. Yeah.
You got it right?
Look is different. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe your screen color, maybe, you know, it will set like a different tone. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is,
So
yeah, this is the Python environment done by Google, and which is, you know, it's open source, and you don't need, no need to, you know, I mean, no need to install, no need to pay, no need to do any kind of things. You just open up a link and you can work on the Python programming. Not only the Python programming, the entire machine learning and deep learning process we are going to work on in this environment. Okay. So this first class, this is all about the introduction of, we used to call IDE. What is IDE? It is an environment for the integrated development environment. So this is called IDE, the integrated development environment for Python. We have several IDE for, you know, working out Python. In that collaboratively, it's recently, not recently, maybe it is around there for 3 years, I guess. Okay. So previously, what we used to do. So you should know the history or some of the key information, so that it will be very, very beneficial for you to address any kind of this. Okay. For working on Python, this is enough. There are so many things, right, called as Anaconda Navigator. Just this is for your information. If you are interested, go and install it in your desktop or PC, and then you can connect and you can work on a lot of things. In Navigator, if you just know Anaconda Navigator, okay, Anaconda Navigator, and I will show you what are all the integrated development environments there for working on for Python. Okay. If we just, it's all free. Okay, so don't worry about anything. It's all free. This is IDEs and notebooks like Jupyter. You can find Jupyter notebook. This is a famous, you know, notebook for working on Python. Based on Jupyter, the Google has collaborated with Jupyter. That is why it is called as Google Colab Notebook. Okay. So Google has, I already tied up with Jupyter Notebook, and then they form Google Colab. That's what you are seeing, collaboratory model.
So I have a question, Srini, I have here. So we can use any notebook, right? It is like a Colab or Jupyter notebook. Anything we
It
can use
is
for Python, right?
anything you can use.
So there is no
Um,
like this, what is that differentiation? Like you're going to use only Colab or notebook, nothing like kind of, right? So
nothing.
we can use anything.
You can use anything. So even in Navigator, you can find Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code also, you can work on Python. Okay. In Jupyter Notebook is there, and the PyTorch is there. PyTorch. There is one more IDE. And then Python itself, in python.org, you will be able to download the Python command prompt. That is also possible. You can work on. There are so many environments. If you try downloading this Anaconda Navigator, okay, there are so many things. Not only this, there are so many things. And I worked on almost all the IDEs. I found Google Colab is very, very user friendly because lot of libraries that are inbuilt in Google Collaborate. Okay, that is why I choose, and
Okay. Did they
this is
give a
my
storage
standard of
facility, everything?
100 GB of space they are giving, and I'll show you 100 GB. Google
Oh,
Colab
okay.
itself, 100 GB, and it will directly store in your Google Drive. Already, I mean, if you are
Okay.
having a free account in Google Drive, you have 15 GB, right? Apart from 15 GB, they are giving 100 GB of storage in Google Colab. That is why I recommend using Google Collaborate. Okay. So otherwise, you have to go. I mean, every time Jupyter Notebook, you have to go and install a lot of libraries. You know, the methodologies to install it. You have to give a command, and then it has to set. Every time, every run, you have to do. Okay. So that is one more reason. So I tried and used it. Initially, it was really Collab is like very stuck and sucking your time. But after that, they have improved a lot tremendously, and now it is really fine because every now and then I'm just keep on updating what kind of the IDE will be best suitable for learning purposes, and it is they are giving you 100 GB. That's fair enough, and you don't have to carry your all the codes. You can just save all your codes and data in Drive itself. That's beauty. That's the beauty of this collaborative. Okay. So this is just a small introduction about the integrated development environment working on Python. Okay. Now, how to work on Python? Okay. So just go to the file. Okay. New notebook in Drive. For you, it is new notebook in Drive. For me, I have to open up. Yeah. Open notebook. Okay. And I'll show you what would be the difference. So I'm just opening up already existing code and data because right now we are seeing the Apple products, right? What are all the informations we are going to extract from this? Through this extraction, we are going to start learning the first introduction of Python programming. And then we are coming to the actual program, the Python programming environment. Okay. So if you have any questions in the, meanwhile, please, stop me, or if you have a question, just, stop at the end of the, before the end of the session. Okay. So I'm just opening up the already existing notebook, open notebook. I have so many, because see, it is already stored in my drive. See the symbol, it's already in drive. Yes, I just give, okay, I want to store this in that drive. Okay, just see this file name. iPhone data analysis mini project dot IPYNB. Like your SAS program just ends with .SAS, right? Your program file. Similarly, this Python notebook program, it just ends with IPYNB. Okay. And also, if you are working on a real only for Python, which is not for notebook, then it has an extension of .py. So both will be able to open by this environment. Don't worry about anything. Then the extension is you have to see as a programmer, as a machine learning engineer or AI engineer, right? We have to think through this process. You are not a SAS programmer anymore. Even though you are a SAS programmer for many years in the past, right? Now you are just shifting that SAS program in a generic term like a data engineer or machine learning. So under machine learning engineer, all these fields will be covered. Okay, we'll discuss more. Okay, so I'm just opening up this program. I just clicked it. Okay, so forget about, the environment look like a clumsy environment initially because you are seeing for the first time. Okay, don't worry about that. It is very, very easy and simple to understand what it is. Okay. This is the first line of code in this data analysis project. What it is doing. Okay, forget about what it is doing, right? Because you are just starting to analyze data, the iPhone data set. That's it. We are not going to analyze Python information. Okay, forget about it, right? Because we are going to deal with, because we are going in the reverse direction. We are going to analyze some data and what are the possibilities to analyze in Python environment. And then what are the possible ways of extracting the information out of this data set and how easy it is to write a program in Python. And then we are going to start from the beginning. I think you got my idea. Okay, right. So this is the first line, PIP.
Uh,
Yes.
Sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt,
Yeah.
Srinivas. Like
Mm.
now, I'm not able to pull the file. Like, shall I go to insert and then pull the file?
I'll let you know. I think I have sent you only the data set, not a program. Okay. Maybe what I
Yes.
will do, because I was trying to send you through Google and it is stopping me to, just, so you separate single file. So open this code. I have sent you the code. And open up in your the open.
No,
Go to the
opening.
file. Yeah, go to the file and you have to open, you have to give the open notebook, or you can directly right click the file and go, just ask them to open Google Colab, but it is very tough process. Open the Google Colab and then go to the file and then open notebook. You can find the notebook. First, open the program, and I will tell you how to open the dataset.
Okay. In that I am seeing untitled IP.
IPYNB.
Yes.
Open.
So if I click on that,
Just click.
yeah, nothing happened actually.
Okay. Just share your screen,
Yeah.
and I will give you the permission. Make host. Okay. I made you host. Done.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Mhm.
Can you see now?
No, I couldn't see your screen.
Oh, it is asking me to exit Zoom.
I have given the permission. You are the host now.
Okay.
Do we need to upload a notebook as Sini?
Open new notebook.
Open new notebook.
Yeah. You are trying to open up your program, right?
No, currently I'm saving it in my desktop. So I need to bring that IP1Y file into the notebook area. So how to bring it? Upload.
Yes.
Open notebook.
Open. No upload. I will come. Okay.
Open notebook I open.
Yes, open, right? Go to desktop.
Now
Okay.
you can see screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
This is
Go to
how I
file.
got.
Okay, go to file.
Okay.
Open
Open
notebook.
note.
Yes, open notebook.
Yeah.
Go
I'm
where you
clicking.
saved. Okay, go to upload. Go to upload. Just go to upload. You have to bring the file into this environment. Yes, you are right, Sam.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
go to the desktop or wherever you store. Yes. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what you have to do? Go to the file
Mhm.
and come down. Save a copy in Drive. Save a copy in Drive. There is an option. Save a copy
Oh,
in
Yeah.
Drive. Yes. Yeah. Click that. Now only you are saving this copy in your drive, that is coming
right.
under
Okay.
100 GB space. 100 GB space. The free space by Google Cloud. Yes. So if you
Yeah.
wanted to change the name, then you can rename. That is up to you. Now it is saving as copy of this file
Correct.
iPhone.
so that it will be stored in your drive. Now you know the
Mhm.
process, how to open up a
Yes.
file. Okay.
Yes.
Now there is one more process, how to open up a data set. Okay. In the left hand corner, just observe in the left hand corner, come down. Last one symbol is there, right? No. In the middle of you can find the key symbol. Under key
Yeah.
symbol, under key
Folder.
symbol, yes, click that. Yes, a folder. Click for files. Okay, just
Yeah.
wait. Just wait. Now, yes, you can find this like your SAS environment. You can find the environment, right?
Yes.
There, no, don't do that. Don't do that. You can find the arrow mark under files symbol. You can find the arrow
Yes.
mark, upward arrow
Sample
mark.
data.
No. Go up. Go up.
Yeah. This
Go,
one.
yes. Yeah. Click that. Click that arrow mark.
Yeah.
Now, where
Now.
did yes. Bring the data. Yes. Open up. Yeah. Okay. Warning is fine. No issues. Okay. Now only you will be able to run as per the basic rule. But once you verified one time, then each and every time Python will automatically store this information, even though if you are just not bringing the data back into your environment. The Just look at the environment of the Python, the right hand side, the big main screen. You can find